Have you loaded airtime by mistake or received airtime when what you really wanted was M-Pesa cash? If you are on Safaricom or Airtel, this is a problem that many people face, and most don't even know that there is a fast, legit way to convert airtime to M-Pesa instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to convert airtime to cash straight to your M-Pesa.
Now let's go to our next platform that is called SwapCredo, which utilizes the website means.
Head over to your favorite browser. For me, it is Chrome, and search for SwapCredo. Now, you need to click on it, swapcredo.com. Now, this is how the dashboard looks like. Convert airtime to M-Pesa. Two options for converting airtime to money. That is Safaricom and Airtel. Okay, let me click Safaricom. Now, I will turn on the location, and then I need to enter my number, which is 0721. Then minimum for this is 30 shillings and maximum is 10,000 shillings. I'll enter the same amount I have used for the other platforms so that you can compare all the three at once. You will receive 40 shillings. Submit request. I've received a message from Bimodi or from them, so I need to just go to the message, manually copy this message. Now for this case I need a notepad so that I can edit a notepad and paste the message here, and then I'll copy that USSD code so that it can send it to them. Call using my Safaricom. Now you have transferred 50 shillings from your account to that one, and your account is 7 shillings.
Tried and tested. It has taken almost 30 seconds for the money to be sent to me. Thank God that the M-Pesa system is working efficiently and fast. Let's look at how much they have charged me for the transaction fee. SwapCredo charges 20% compared to stock.
And if you want the full step-by-step tutorial, including the clear comparison of charges from different third-party operators that convert airtime directly to M-Pesa, I have already done a comprehensive breakdown. You'll find the full video link in the description below. See you on the next one, and be productive.